stand up for you.
Precisely. I mean, everyone's heard how you thwarted a gang of Medabot bandits, single-handedly.
Well,
You're a grade A roll battler.
B or B plus.
Don't be so modest. Icky, you're a hero.
Here is our proposal. If you can get rid of the screws, I'll make you my vice president.
For real?
So, what do you say?
I'll do it.
Excellent. We're counting on you, sir.
Sure. I like the sound of that.
You're late.
Sorry, I got here as fast as Sloan could carry me.
Did you give Icky the challenge like I told you?
Uh-huh. I put it in his locker.
So, who's the one sending out the challenges?
Principal!
If you want a row battle so badly, why don't you try taking on me and Samurai?
Maybe later.
I'm so lonely.
There, sir.
Who does Icky think he is, anyway? Hey, a watermelon. What's happening? Can't resist temptation. Hey, what gives?
So you are a beetle-type Medabot. That's why you can't resist watermelons.
What do you want?
I'm interested in metals. Specifically, your metal.
Sending the principal to row battle? Icky's gonna pay for this, all right. We'll surround Icky, then converge on him. All of us, 3 to 1. We can't lose.
Gee, Buzz,